Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and running quick diagnostics. First, confirm the Visual Studio version and edition so you target the right components. Once done, open the Visual Studio installer and choose Modify, then repair to restore broken files. Use Install Cleanup. EXE if the installer fails. Also, enable Logging and Collect Activity Log, XML and Diagnostic VS logs so you have precise errors to act on later. This prevents guesswork and makes later steps faster and safer for you. Next, you tackle components and extensions that commonly cause issues. Begin by running Visual Studio in safe mode and uninstalling suspicious extensions. Then disable all extensions and re-enable them one at a time to isolate the culprit. Make sure to repair or reinstall specific workloads and SDKs from the installer if projects fail to build. Once you have that, reset user settings with devenv exe/reset settings and delete the component model cache folder to clear corrupted caches. This approach narrows root causes and restores core behavior. Finally, complete cleanup and verify functionality so your environment is stable. You should clear the NuGet cache, restore packages, and perform a clean rebuild of your solutions to ensure dependencies are correct. If problems persist, reinstall Visual Studio as a last resort after backing up settings and extensions. This gives you a fresh baseline. One key troubleshooting tip: if reinstalling still fails, use the collected activity log, XML, and diagnostics to search for specific error codes or share them with
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.